Cryptocurrency market predictions for 2024. In the last decade, cryptocurrencies have carved out a significant niche for themselves in the financial landscape, disrupting traditional systems with their decentralized, secure, and often more efficient protocols. The year 2024 holds high potential for more breakthroughs and possible pitfalls. As we navigate through uncharted territories of digital finance, let's delve into some likely forecasts of the cryptocurrency market. Before moving forward, if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe for future interesting videos. The bull run of Bitcoin, a continuation or a stagnation? Bitcoin's trajectory has always been closely watched, with its every movement significantly impacting the overall crypto market. Will it continue to charge forward like a relentless bull, or will it experience a period of stagnation? As we look to 2024, expert opinions are divided. Those who see Bitcoin continuing its ascendancy cite its strengths as a dependable store of value and a practical medium of exchange. They argue that its robust structure and widespread acceptance lay the groundwork for sustained growth. However, there are skeptics in the mix who argue that Bitcoin's rocket-like rise cannot continue unabated. They highlight potential market corrections that could put the brakes on Bitcoin's momentum. The reason? Every market sees periods of adjustment, and Bitcoin, despite its uniqueness, is no exception. The intriguing aspect of these diverging perspectives is that they both carry considerable weight, leaving room for various possibilities. Bitcoin's future could go either way, and the path it takes will undoubtedly have profound implications for the wider cryptocurrency landscape. Rising popularity and acceptance of altcoins. As we set our sights on 2024, a key player that has been gaining momentum and catching the eyes of investors worldwide are the altcoins. Standing in the shadows of the mighty Bitcoin, altcoins such as Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin have been quietly stirring the pot, showing great promise and potential for growth. The beauty of these alternatives lies in the technological advancements they bring to the table, setting the stage for a fascinating future in the cryptocurrency landscape. These lesser-known cryptocurrencies offer intriguing benefits such as smart contracts and faster transaction speeds, attracting the attention of investors willing to delve into these high-reward potential waters, albeit with acknowledged risks. This increased interest, coupled with groundbreaking technological enhancements, set the scene for a bigger piece of the market pie being allocated to altcoins by 2024. The most exciting part? This is just the beginning. The wider acceptance of these altcoins is not a mere speculation, but a trend that's gaining steam. As more individuals, institutions, and even governments begin to recognize their value and potential, the stage is being set for a remarkable transition. By 2024, we could see altcoins stepping out from Bitcoin's shadow and into the spotlight, carving out their own distinct identities in the cryptocurrency world. The proliferation of decentralized finance, DeFi. Get ready to embrace a new financial revolution. Decentralized finance, popularly known as DeFi, is creating a seismic shift in the financial landscape. Steadily making strides since its emergence in 2020, DeFi is projected to continue its impressive trajectory, attracting more users with its promise of autonomy, accessibility, and transparency. Where does DeFi fit into the future? By democratizing financial systems, it presents an exciting and viable alternative to conventional banking structures. With DeFi, everyone has the potential to be their own bank, and by 2024, we anticipate an even stronger foothold for these platforms in the financial ecosystem. Imagine the power of being able to save, borrow, and invest at your fingertips, without the hassle of intermediaries. Sounds exhilarating, doesn't it? Government and regulatory impact on cryptocurrencies. As we forge ahead into the horizon of 2024, one critical aspect that we must account for is the influence of government and regulatory bodies on the future of cryptocurrencies. Their decisions and guidelines are not just subtle ripples but powerful waves that can shift the trajectory of the entire digital finance landscape. Consider this scenario. Countries that welcome cryptocurrencies with open arms could witness a blossoming of digital finance startups and establish themselves as pioneers in the realm of blockchain innovation. The exchange of cryptocurrencies might become as commonplace as traditional currency, fostering a vibrant and dynamic hub for cryptocurrency transactions. But on the flip side, we cannot overlook the possibility of governments imposing strict regulations. In such a scenario, the landscape might contract rather than expand, with stringent rules potentially stifling growth and innovation. It's a delicate balance, and navigating these waters will require skillful maneuvering. By 2024, it's highly likely that more countries will have put their stamp on the crypto world, formulating regulations that define the boundaries of cryptocurrency operations. It's an unavoidable outcome as digital currencies become more integrated into our financial fabric. The vital role of these government actions cannot be underestimated in shaping the next phase of the cryptocurrency evolution. Increased institutional adoption of cryptocurrencies. As we journey towards 2024, we can't overlook the pivotal role institutions play in the cryptocurrency narrative. These power players, once spectators on the sidelines, are increasingly stepping onto the field, bringing with them their financial might and credibility. This change of heart can be attributed to a shift in perception, as businesses and investment firms start recognizing cryptocurrencies as more than just volatile digital assets. They see them as game changers, offering opportunities for diversification, hedge against inflation, and a chance to be part of an exciting, fast-evolving market. From payment giants like PayPal and Visa enabling crypto transactions, to multinational corporations like Tesla and MicroStrategy adding Bitcoin to their balance sheets, the institutional adoption wave is gaining momentum. As we venture further into this decade, this trend is expected to amplify, bringing along an influx of new players, big and small. This potential shift, however, is not just about providing a boost to the market cap of cryptocurrencies. It's about creating a robust and stable ecosystem that can handle increased liquidity. When more institutions dip their toes into the crypto pool, it could stabilize prices, decrease volatility, and make the market more attractive for retail investors. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Increased institutional adoption doesn't come without its challenges. It calls for more robust regulations, improved security measures, and a stronger infrastructure capable of handling larger volumes. And as we discussed earlier, the crypto industry's continuous innovations can serve as catalysts to address these challenges. Impact of technological advancements on the cryptocurrency market. The road to 2024 is paved with technological progress, and it's this forward march that's likely to shape the cryptocurrency markets in ways we're only just beginning to grasp. Technological advancements are the heartbeat of the crypto world, with innovations like quantum computing and improved scalability knocking on the door of the future. The potential impact of these technological leaps on the cryptocurrency market is nothing short of transformative. Quantum computing, with its remarkable computational power, could not only enhance security but also exponentially speed up transactions. It's a game changer that could unlock a new level of efficiency and security for cryptocurrencies, placing them on a firmer footing in the financial landscape. Improved scalability is another frontier that the crypto world is eager to conquer. Currently, the limited ability to process vast numbers of transactions swiftly is one of the bottlenecks in the mainstream adoption of cryptocurrencies. However, with technologies designed to increase scalability, cryptocurrencies could become more user-friendly and practicality will no longer be a hurdle. Consider the potential impact on Bitcoin, the de facto gold standard of cryptocurrencies. With enhanced scalability, Bitcoin transactions could become as fast and straightforward as using your credit card at a grocery store. For altcoins, the implications are equally promising. Ethereum, for instance, is already moving towards implementing scalability solutions, which could open new avenues for decentralized applications. The future of cryptocurrency mining. As we navigate the course towards 2024, one area that's primed for significant evolution within the cryptosphere is cryptocurrency mining. This process, specifically Bitcoin mining, has recently been caught in the crosshairs due to its exorbitant energy consumption. However, it's important to remember that every challenge brings with it the seeds of innovation and improvement. By the time we set foot in 2024, the landscape of cryptocurrency mining could look markedly different. How so? For starters, we might bear witness to the rise of sustainable mining practices. This eco-friendly approach to cryptocurrency mining could dramatically reduce the environmental footprint, addressing a major concern and enhancing the appeal of cryptocurrencies. In addition to this, we could also see a paradigm shift towards proof-of-stake algorithms, a notable contender to the current proof-of-work mechanism, primarily used by Bitcoin. With their remarkable energy efficiency, these proof-of-stake algorithms could revolutionize the process of cryptocurrency mining, making it more accessible and reducing the barrier to entry. If you enjoyed from this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for future interesting videos like this. Thanks for watching.